Are you tired of getting results like this? In this video, I'm going to show you how to get results like this instead. It takes just a little bit more work, but as you'll see, it's absolutely worth it. Let me show you how to do this. On this sample wall, I'm going to put 2 strips of painter's tape. The bottom one will show how most people do this, and the top one will show the correct way to do it. On the top strip, before painting the accent color, I'm going to seal the edge of the tape using the existing wall color. So this is the same color that's already on the wall. It's not the accent color. And any paint that bleeds under the tape at this point is the same color as the wall, which seals the edge of the tape. Once that dried, I applied a second light coat of the same color along the tape. This is to make sure that it's sealed well. After the white paint dries, I now paint the accent color onto the wall under both strips of tape so you can see the difference. And I like to let the paint set for just a few minutes, maybe 3 or 4 minutes. I don't like it to fully dry, and then I remove the tape. So here's the control sample. You can see all that bleed through under the edge of the tape. This looks really bad. And here's the pre-painted sample. Look how clean and sharp that line is. There's no bleed through. So that extra step only takes a few extra minutes, but it makes a huge difference. If you want professional looking accent walls, this is the way to do it. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope it's been helpful to you. If it has, please click that like button down below. Also, I sure would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. That way you can be notified when new videos come out. Thanks again.